Let's make some sneakers for a doll. I start by taking a small piece of cardboard and tracing her foot around onto it. Like this. I cut it out. Flip it and trace it and cut another one. I cut a rectangle out of paper measured to my doll's foot and then cut a couple angles at the top. Cut 2, whatever color you want the shoe to be. I take the plastic coating from on top of a pill and cut around it and then cut it in half. Then I paint the pieces the color as the other part and then glue it onto the cardboard. I cut a thin strip, round the end, and glue it inside the pill piece. I take the angled rectangle piece and curve it in the middle, and then glue it onto the back of the shoe piece. I cut off the extra of the straight piece and then curve over the extra sides of the rectangle. And cut out paper accents for the side, and glue a white strip around the bottom. I cut thin strips of the same color as the shoe, and glue it going across, and tie a bow at the top to make the laces. Make 2 to make a pair of sneakers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Bye!
That was cool, Sabine.
Thanks.
Only I can be cool. Really, Icicle? Go ahead and be cool then. Okay. Ah! You're right, Icicle. That was cool. Trash!